open garage in the wind, walking the dog Annie. There's the 06 Lexus sitting over there, way over there. This is my little favorite. Man, the wind noise. Sorry guys. It is a very breezy 57 degrees, I think, here in Georgia today. This is our little favorite walk-around spot. Anyway, I thought I'd get everybody a little update on the 06 Lexus. Everybody likes one every now and then. Not much has changed. Let's go, Annie. You a good girl. Like, what would you do if you got a hold of one of those, huh? What do you think you're gonna do if you get a hold of one of those? Huh? Go get the keys. Get the keys, Annie. Get them. Go get them. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? We'll go for a little ride. Gotta stop and fill up with gas. But we'll take her out for a quick little spin. It's been a month or two. So I've had a lot of people comment about, oh, why are you using the key? You ain't got to use the key, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I know. I know it has smart access, but it's not working. Either the battery's dead in the key, or something's going on. Not sure what. We hadn't worried about it. Change AC filter. Maintenance required. $89,657. I don't know how much has changed. I'll have to look at the last video to see. But let's go for a little ride. Got Annie in the back seat somewhere. Annie, well, as long as she's quiet, that's all that matters. Old car's running good. Like I said, not much changed. Still need to get a timing belt done. Just been a lot of traveling going on with my folks. They've been on several trips out of town, and this car's just been sitting basically. I mean, there's not really been much driving going on with in the car. Not a lot of miles being accumulated. But always like butter, man. This thing's always like butter, just like butter. Went to Costco today. They actually have a wine called Butter now. I'm not a drinker really, but about a year and a half ago I got a good drunk off some wine, and it was known for its buttery flavor. And man, they make some good wines these days. And when it said butter on the wine, I mean, that was the name. I was like, you damn straight. Because that's about what it's like drinking. Anyway. The Lexus 06 Ls430. This car has continued to provide flawless reliability and service. Basically only requiring oil changes. It needs, I don't know if you can see the wheel vibrate. It needs, right now, its current needs are oil change service. I would say the 90K service, which would include the timing belt, the water pump, oil. It needs the AC filter changed, which I believe is up under the dash. Desperately needs to be done. We got a quote for all of it. It's right around $900 for all of it. That's not at the Lexus dealership. That's at an independent Toyota Lexus shop here in town locally. They do great work. I mean, why go pay $2,000 to the Lexus dealer? And I'm not knocking a dealer service department. They do, I mean, if you want your trusted best work, I know that's where you need to take your car. Especially when it comes to a Lexus or a Mercedes, but I have seen some gross overcharging, especially at a Mercedes dealership. But that's a different story for a different day. I'll save that for the next time I'm in a Benz. All right, here's my favorite 0 to 60 spot, US Highway 41. See how nice and flat it is out through there? Okay, got air conditioning on, out of gas, traction control off, and a big 50-pound Labradoodle in the back. And my 250-pound fat ass. Here we go. Oh, yeah, off the hook. Past a cop. I had to cut the video short back there. All right, one more time. Here we go. I don't want a fishtail. Ooh, she connected pretty good, though. So smooth. I mean, so smooth. This car is officially... Oh, God, let's see. Mom got it December of 05. I still remember where I was. I was living outside of Augusta, Georgia, at work in Aiken, South Carolina, and she called me at work and said, "Do you have a minute?" I said, "Sure, Mom." She was like, "Oh, Albert's taking me to the Lexus dealership. We're looking at new cars." I said, "Well, this is the time of year to do it." But I told him, I said, just keep in mind the 06 is the last year of the Ls430 because they've got a new Ls460 coming out in 07. She was like, "No, but I like this body style." And I said, "Hey, go for it. It's the end of the year. You probably score a deal. Go for it." So that was December of 05. So here we are, January 2020. That means this December, that will be 15 years. Hard to believe, because this car still feels like it's only 3 or 4 years old. I mean, it really does. It is so well screwed together, other than my wobbly ass rotors and my warning lights for maintenance. And let's turn traction back on. Just a fantastic car. As everybody knows that has one of these or has driven one, they're just the best. Y'all have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I was looking the other day, and out of all the watch hours and watch times on my videos, only 2.5% are actually subscribers. 97% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed, and that's crazy, man. I know I'm a nut job and don't do the best videos, but man, if you're watching, please hit the subscribe button. It'd help me out a lot. I'd like to get at least 10 or 20,000 subs one day, so I can pay for my daughter to go to college. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Peace. Average mile per gallon, 20.8. We'll see how much it costs to fill her up, how many gallons.